Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to organize my closet. Ever since we moved into this house, I've been putting this up for the longest, and every time I come to my closet it drives me totally insane. So today is the day. I am in a good mood. I am feeling a lot of good energy, and I thought that it's going to be a great opportunity to start this project. I got some stuff from Amazon and from Container Store, and I'm going to share with you how I organize my closet. Maybe we're gonna start tackling my husband's part of the closet as well. We'll see, depending on how much time we have. If it's not going to happen today, we're gonna do it another time. All right, so let's just get started. All right, guys, so our bedroom is still kind of a work in progress. This area here was just, I want to say, what is it called? Like a study nook. And this room, this master bedroom, had only very a closet space. So I decided it's going to be a great opportunity to transform this into a small walk-in closet for my husband and I. I personally hate seeing clothes just... It bothers me that all the colors. So we are going to put in a barn door. I think that's what you call them, the sliding barn door. So you should totally subscribe right now to my channel. I'm going to let you know probably next month we're gonna start this project. So keep an eye for that project. All right, so this closet itself has been a DIY project as well. We bought the shelving units from Lowe's, and I can try to find the ones that we bought. I believe we put about 3 different closet units in here, and we had to cut some pieces, but the project itself was pretty easy. I'm sure one day we will upgrade to more of like a built-ins, because I'm sure it's going to bother me one day. But right now, this is what we have. This area and this area are my areas of a closet. I don't have that much stuff, I want to say. My husband has definitely much more clothes and storage space right now, and I'm already seeing that his stuff starts to peek in towards my side of a closet, and I see it. It's not happening. Oh yes, I just changed the light setting because I feel like it was a little bit too dark. In today's video, I wanted to focus mainly on my part of the closet, just for time purposes. We don't have that much time. Valentina is gonna wake up probably in like an hour or so, so I need to make sure to speed this up. I want to sort it by color, probably change some hangers because I have some mixed hangers. We're working on changing my hangers from like different kinds, plastic, not plastic, to just pretty much one color and one kind of hangers, just so it looks a little bit more cohesive. And then I want to figure out how I want to organize my shorts, my skirts, and other things. So let's get started. I'm gonna take everything out from my side of the closet, and I think I'm going to just work section by section, just in case if my daughter wakes up, I don't have like a total mess in here. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so this is what I've been dying to do for the longest. This has been my mess for the longest, and that's because when the clothes hang, they kind of cover everything. So I've been just pushing and pushing and pushing, and it's, as you can tell, very messy, and it's hard to find anything. So today is the day we're doing it. Let me just get rid of all this stuff from here, and I'm gonna show you how I will fix that issue. Alright guys, so I got 7 of those containers from the Container Store, and I have a receipt here, they were $6.49 each. So I am planning to just put them in here and put like my pajamas, because I don't have space for my pajamas, my t-shirts, my workout clothes. So let's do that. Okay, so what's happening is I'm kind of going chaotic. I don't have specific agenda or plan. I just kind of do different things at the same time. So I wanted to also show you, I got those hangers from Amazon. I think they were like $12 for 30 of them, and they are hangers for like skirts and shorts. So what I think I'm going to do right now, I had some shirts on top, pants on the bottom. I think I'm actually going to move all my pants, shorts and skirts to the top, and the shirts and sweaters are gonna be on the bottom this time. I think it's going to give me a little bit more space here, so everything is nicely shown. But that's what I'm planning to do. Just hang my stuff in here. Like, look, all this stuff here. Look, all those t-shirts piled up, they all fitted in 2 containers. Okay guys, so this is how this finished section looks like. I started by doing black colors first. I started with a sweatshirt and like more sporty stuff. Then I continue with a black and I go to sweaters, shirts with a long sleeve, like more glam. And then I continue to t-shirts, and I do this with every single color that I have. So I have grays, beige, greens, colors, and to the light colors. And that's pretty much what I have so far. Now moving on to the side, I put some workout pants and some like home loungy pants, my colorful shirts, and then black long sleeved and short sleeve t-shirts. I don't really wear a lot of t-shirts, so that's why I don't have many compartments here. And on top and here I have some jeans, colored pants that I don't have many of them. I even found maternity pants. I'm gonna keep them though, even just for like a memory. They were so comfortable. And then some leggings and shorts. I'm going to go over my skirts section, and I'm going to put some skirts here as well. Okay, so I've done another section of my clothes. Okay, so first I have some dark jackets and sweaters. Then I got a whole bunch of black dresses, then greens. This is just the section of my dresses. I'm pretty much finished with that. Now I'm going to just clean up, put the hangers, old hangers away, and I will see what else is here to do. Now things like scarves, gloves, and things like this that I'm not using at this time, I'm going to just pack in this container and slide it under one of my sections. Or actually I should probably just take it to a coat closet with all my coats, and because if it's gonna stay in my bedroom instead of there, I will never ever wear them. Also, I like to keep a stool here in the closet so I can reach my higher shelves, and I'm going to put there just like workout t-shirts and pajamas, and that's going to be all. I think right now I'm going to just organize my underwear drawers, and then that's going to be all. Let me show you what I got for the drawers. Okay, so for the drawers, I got some stuff from Amazon, and this is like a divider. You assemble this yourself. It's very easy to do, and you just put it inside your drawer, and you can separate your socks and your undies and things like that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And also I got another one from Amazon as well that is going to help me store just other like things like belts, and this is also for like underwear or socks. And there was one for bras. Let me see, this one probably, yeah, this one is going to be good for my bra. Okay guys, so this is totally crazy. Let's go. First I'm gonna pull everything that I have from those drawers, and we are going to line them up with those compartment thingies from Amazon. Let's get going. This fits absolutely perfect. Let me show you guys. Getting dark already, so it's hard to see anything. I've been taking my sweet time, but this is what we ended up with. I put some, all my socks, and then fuzzy socks, and that's pretty much it. One more thing that I did was I just put my belts and my sports bras into the container store bins, and I'm gonna find space for them up there. And the last thing to do is just clean up, and our closet organization video is going to be completed. Alright you guys, so I think that's all for today's video. It definitely took me longer than I anticipated. It actually overwhelmed me quite some, but I'm very happy with everything, how nice and organized is, and it's like catharsis for me, like I feel more lightweight. Like I said before, I wanted to do this for the longest, but when you own a house, there's always something to do, and it was one of those things that like I was just putting off, and I was finding another project. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy that kind of content, please let me know down below in the comments. I really would love to record more of home videos, especially because as a new homeowners, we always have something to do, and I love projects, so I try to DIY everything as much as I can. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow me, like this video, and I hope to see you next time.